a brownie pecan pie.
Okay, I'll take it. You ready for this?
Starting with the brownie batter. Sonny, we got some pecans.
Yep.
Rough chop those for me,
Okay.
please. Here I got some melted butter. We're gonna add this to a bowl. We're gonna make this batter, right? Little unsweetened chocolate. Okay. Swirly, swirly. We're gonna get this all melted. That's nice warm butter. A little vanilla. Some salt.
My rough chop method.
Look at you, you're not even using the knife.
Just twist.
That's very smart.
Just a little twist.
That's a mental note to add that to the recipe. It's changing my recipe before my eyes, I guess.
Try to be like GZ.
All right, we just put some vanilla in there, of course, some sugar. Whisk in a couple eggs, some flour.
Quick note about those pecans, do not store them in the pantry.
No. Fridge or freezer.
They are full of oil and they will go rancid fast.
Right? And they ain't cheap.
No.
And they don't usually come in tiny packages either,
No.
so
Yeah.
freeze them on a sheet pan too, and then put them in a bag so you can take out what you need. We are putting the flour in there. Look at that, beautiful brownie batter. And now the chunks
Oh. Jeff.
of semi-sweet. Just fold that in. And the best part about a brownie, I think, is when it does come out of the oven, it does set up, it does bake, you get the crunch from those whole chocolate chips in there. Beautiful. Sonny, I have a pre-made pie crust in the fridge, ready to go. I ain't hating on pre-made. There's like
it's pretty.
4 or 5 options at a lot of grocery stores.
Yeah.
Some fluted, some flat, whatever. I like
is
the
nice.
fluted one because it does look a little more homemade, if
Like
you
it
will.
did something. If you ever get one that's like a little bit cracked, like
Yep.
sometimes the ridge is cracked, just a little bit of water or heavy cream and pinch it back together.
Oh, that's
I've done that
fantastic.
before.
Okay, great. So pecans, do me a
you want
favor,
that?
throw them in that butter, get them started in there, okay?
All right.
While I put this brownie batter in that pie crust. And we're gonna bake this in the oven, 350 for about 40, 45 minutes. Like you would a cake, you gotta test this with a toothpick or a skewer, okay? I got one ready to go right here. And you wanna make sure that pie crust is cold when you put it in the oven. Makes it nice, light, and flaky. Look at all that chocolate melted in there. And how do you know it's a great brownie? Look at that, shiny.
Oh, yeah.
Top. Beautiful. Now we have a brownie pie here. Oh, Jeffrey, this is right up your alley, huh? So easy to do. We're not done. I got some dark brown sugar, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some salt. All right, that's going in there, as well as some vanilla. Okay. Another little pat of butter. Some water, just to kind of loosen it up just a little bit. And then some corn syrup.
Oh.
You gotta have that, I think, in like a pecan pie topping, right? It gives it that, I don't know, that glossiness, right? Kind of need that. So this is all gonna kind of come together. We're not really gonna cook this or reduce it much. We just want it pourable still, but warm when we put it over the pie. The pecans on the brownie pie.
You let it harden up?
Like now? Here we go. Jeffrey's the best in pie cutting. It's brownie.
Oh, stop it right now.
Stop.
Oh, no!
Stop it right now.